Have you ever made a decision and only later realized it wasn't completely your own? Maybe you bought something you never planned to buy. Maybe you trusted someone without knowing why. Or maybe you changed your opinion simply because everyone else seemed to agree. Here's the surprising truth. Every single day, your brain is being influenced. Not because you're weak, not because you're careless, but because your mind follows psychological shortcuts that helped humans survive for thousands of years. These mental shortcuts are incredibly useful, but in today's world, they can also be used against you. Advertisers know them, salespeople know them, social media platforms know them. Even ordinary conversations can trigger them. The scary part isn't that these tricks exist. The scary part is that most people never notice them. But once you understand how they work, they begin to lose their power. Tricks that quietly shape your choices, your habits, your spending, and sometimes even your beliefs. Let's begin with one of the oldest and most powerful forces inside the human mind. Imagine you're walking through a shopping mall. A friendly employee smiles and offers you a free piece of chocolate. You weren't planning to stop, but you accept it anyway. A few minutes later, you find yourself looking at the products. Then something strange happens. Walking away without buying anything starts to feel a little uncomfortable. Why? The chocolate was free. Nobody forced you. Nobody asked for money. So why does your brain suddenly feel like it owes something? This is called the rule of reciprocity. Psychologist Dr. Robert Cialdini identified it as one of the strongest principles of human influence. The idea is simple. When someone gives us something, our brain naturally wants to return the favor. This instinct didn't appear by accident. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors survived because they helped each other, sharing food, sharing shelter, protecting one another. Groups that returned favors became stronger. Over time, our brains turned reciprocity into an automatic habit. Still lives inside us today. Modern businesses understand this perfectly. That's why stores offer free samples. Websites offer free trials. Apps give you bonus rewards. Restaurants serve complimentary snacks. The gift may look small, but psychologically, it creates something much bigger. A feeling that you should give something back. Sometimes, that feeling is so subtle, you don't even notice it. You simply think, I guess I'll buy it. But was it really your decision? Or did your brain quietly respond to an ancient survival instinct? Here's another example. Imagine a waiter brings you dinner. Along with the bill, he places a small mint on the table. Research has shown that this tiny gift can actually increase tips. Not because the food changed, not because the service, but because the brain feels a tiny emotional debt. One small favor can influence a much bigger decision. That's how powerful reciprocity is. The good news, you don't have to stop accepting kindness, you simply need to recognize when kindness becomes a strategy. The next time someone offers you a free gift, a free trial, or an unexpected favor, pause for a moment. Ask yourself one simple question. Am I making this decision because I truly want to, or because I feel like I owe something back? That one question can protect your wallet, your attention, and your freedom to choose. Because the moment you recognize the trick, it begins to lose its power.